How to delete Duolingo account. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you delete Duolingo account. To delete a Duolingo account, you need to follow the steps. Now I'm using a web version. I also recommend you to use a web version as the app has some sort of interface. So what you need is open up your browser, type in duolingo.com, enter in your credential and log into your account. After logged in, you want to tap on the profile initials from the bottom right corner of your screen. When you click on the options, you want to tap on the login button and then you could select your account. So I need to log in once again. So once again, you want to click on the profile initials from this page. You want to scroll down to the bottom and then you could go ahead and click on view all. Or else you could just tap on the gear icon from the top right, scroll down to the bottom. You could find these logout or other options as well. So now just click on the profile initials from this page, scroll down to the bottom and there you have delete my account. So tap on it, you could go ahead and confirm it and that way you'll be able to delete Duolingo account. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.